Hello, and Tu here from Macking Domain, back with another video to show you an interesting feature we've discovered on one of our Kiloview E1 products. Actually, it will apply to all the E series products and even the P series products because it will be a built-in feature in their software. So here's the question that we've received from a lot of users. How can I easily flip a video from landscape to portrait so that I can push it to something like Facebook? So we're going to answer that question today here. As you can see, I have a TriCaster session running a normal 16:9 project. As you can see, I have a camera set up with the flip orientation. So now I'm going to bring you to the E1 interface, which I already have up here in the browser. So this will be our main interface on the E1. You can imagine it the same as on the E2, the P1, or even the P2. So there is a feature here under the Video and Audio Settings tab. Under video processing, if you just click into it, there are actually quite a number of features that you can do to the source of the video coming in. So the one we're going to look at today is specifically the rotation. So again, going back to our source, as you can see here, the source that's coming in on the E1 is that very camera that I have flipped already. So looking at the source, it looks like I need to apply a 270 degrees flip over rotation. So once I set this, if you go back into our main page, you should be able to see that, there we go, our source is flipped to the right orientation so that you can stream. So I'm going to just do a quick setup. I already have my Facebook test stream here ready to go. And I've already in fact set one up with the RTMP stream settings. So all I have to do now is click on yes to start pushing the stream. And once I do that, I just need to give a few seconds before it should appear on my Facebook stream settings. So I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna just pull up my phone real quick. And to show you the stream real quick, I'm gonna put my camera on the main one here. And as you can see, I have on my Facebook a proper stream with no black bars, and I'm able to do a 9:16 stream. How about that? So if you like to have more inquiries or questions on how you can apply this into your streaming workflow, feel free to contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you guys out. So hope to hear from you guys soon.